Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we will be unboxing a Dragon Ball figure. And this is the Super Saiyan Blue Goku from Figure Class. And it is actually the first 1/6 scale statue. And there are only limited pieces, 666 made around the world. Okay, so let's take a look around the box. So it should look really nice and it should be really good quality since this is their first statue. And the reviews say it's really good too. Nice pictures. Alright, so let's get right into it and see what's inside. So now I have cut the seal, and so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so there's a lot of pieces, and first we have the base. Looks really nice. Second, we have the aura that goes around Goku. Next, we have two sets of arms. So this is one set, and there's another set over here. There, and over there. Okay, so now we have the body, as you can see. And the paintings and the details look really good already. And finally, we have three heads. So two in the God form, and one in Super Saiyan form. So, as you can see, there's a USB cable, and it actually lights up the base, and we'll be trying that out later. So now let's look at each pieces in detail. So these are all the parts. First, let's look at the base. So there's a lot of details on the base, and it's pretty heavy, but it's not too heavy, I guess. So this piece actually goes onto the aura, but I'll put it on later. So this is the aura, and since it's anime accurate, Figure Class makes them all really nice. Next we have this card. So this is actually, it just came with the card, and the designs are really nice, and it's sealed up in a plastic packaging. So now let's look at the body parts. So there are three heads, and this is the first one. It's actually a lighter version compared to this one, and it's because this one was actually used in the Dragon Ball Z Resurrection F, while this one was actually used in Dragon Ball Super. And we have the Super Saiyan 2 head. So this is just a belt, and there's two sets of arms. So this one is more straight, and this one's more buff. It's magnets. So let's look at the body. So the materials are really nice, and it kind of really just feels like fabric, and the details are also really good. Okay, so now let's put on the base and let's see how it looks like. So I have put the aura on the base. Now let's put Goku on. Put the arms on first. So let's put the head. I think I'll use the Resurrection F one because it looks good, I guess. So, just as the first glance, it looks really good, and the faces also looks great. Oops, about fell off. Okay. Now we'll put this piece on, and it's really hard to find, as I said, but we found it. Okay, so I'll give you just a quick look at the whole figure. Also, I forgot to mention, but this is actually the 44th piece made out of the 666. As you can see on the box here, 44, 666. Yeah. Right, so finally, let's try out the lighting. So you can see here there's actually a port to plug in the cable. And since the battery's charging, we'll wait a bit and we'll put it on. Okay, so the battery is finally done charging and it is lit up. So I'll give you one final look. So I guess the light goes really well with the color, which is light blue, and it just goes really well with all the overall too. So in conclusion, it's a really nice figure and I would definitely recommend anyone buying it. So thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.